These days, a lot of folks are interested in bringing back old world style using faux wood ceiling beams. The beams are available in a wide range of colors, wood species, and sizes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these beams. The first step is to determine how far apart we want the beams and mark the locations. Each beam will be attached to a pair of rails. We strike chalk lines to indicate the outside edge of each rail. Now it's time to start installing the rails. I begin by marking the rails at 36-inch intervals. Then drill a 1/4 inch hole on the marked spots. We make certain the edge of the rail is aligned with the chalk line, then drill through the holes in the rail and into the ceiling. The rails will be fastened to the ceiling using a toggle bolt. With the beams cut to length, it's time to put them up by simply slipping them over the pairs of rails. The beams are secured with finish nails every 12 to 14 inches. This process is repeated until all the beams are up. Faux wood beams add texture to an otherwise plain ceiling. They can bring warmth and a cozier feel to a space.